concept that gave birth to this road trip was that we have to build what is called the feeder motorcycle with the parts sourced from the website olx.in.
लैंड रोवर ने हमें अपनी 2 एग्जॉटिक कार्स इवोक और ऑटोबायोग्राफी दी थी। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, ऑटोबायोग्राफी इज़ अ पैलेस ऑन व्हील्स। आप उसके अंदर बैठिए और तब एहसास होता है कि लग्जरियस कार क्या होता है। दोनों कार अपने आप में सुंदर, अपने आप में खूबसूरत और रोड के लिए बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल। पर मेरी निगाह थी एक बाइक पे। वो 2 घंटा जो फ्लैग ऑफ के थे, मैं सिर्फ बूसा के बारे में ही सोच रहा था।
And that's how he got his name, Pusa Bhatt.
Motorcycling is a lot of fun, and you know you can do a lot with it in terms of connecting with the people. So the whole brotherhood that you see here, and which is something that we thought that can be extended across the country.
It's a great initiative, something very different. I haven't heard of this before. So let's see. I'm really keen to look at the sculpture when it is up, and all the best.
From God and everybody here, we wish him all the best.
We have almost reached Jaipur after 260 kilometers in searing heat.
It is Jaipur. We are here and we are loving the day.
We reached the Rock Cafe at 8 p.m. and there were still around 50-60 motorcyclists who were waiting for us.
I'm Naveen Sharma. I'm one of the airborne riders. The main passion is to have a good biking experience and followed by social, whatever we can contribute to the society. Drive safe, have a very safe riding, enjoy your bike riding. Thank you.
So all in all, great evening, and yeah, so the first day went off quite well. Second day in Jaipur saw us meet Vijay Rajputana, who's an awesome guy. He's very passionate about motorcycles and not only rides them very well, he also customizes them.
Hi Vijay, how are you?
Hi Sunny. Nice man.
Thanks for inviting me over to your place. It's a very awesome kind of environment to build your dreams and make them into reality.
Bilkul man. We've been here for about 4 years now.
Yeah.
And like you said, you know, we've been meeting all along and ये पहली बार आप आए हो.
Yeah.
So good to see you at the workshop. It's a pleasure to have you.
First time I met him was at the BIC, the Boot International Circuit. He was riding on the track on his Fireblade. This is the first time I actually saw him work on his machine, so I could see that sparkle in his eye, and you know.
I've over the years found out that I can, like, to a certain extent, picture a bike in my mind before I've started it. I mean, I can see it come together to a certain extent, whether that's the shape of it and the proportions of it, and then the color and then the detailing, and that is an important part of bike building, I feel.
There's a T-shirt from this current ride. This one is called the Great India Collector's Ride.
Crazy. Good luck with the rest of your trip, and I'm sure I'll see you soon. Man.
Thank you.
All the best.
Bye.
We left the following morning to capture the Pink City, but I guess the city never sleeps. It was crowded even early in the morning.
इतना कम है शहर को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए कि मैं यहाँ बैठ गया फोटो से हट के शहर को देख रहा हूँ, मज़े ले रहा हूँ। उदयपुर के लिए ऑल एक्साइटेड, ऑल सेट। नेक्स्ट स्टॉप बाय द इवनिंग इज उदयपुर।
Going from Jaipur to Udaipur was really exciting. The roads are beautiful, obviously, but the icing on the cake was the airstrip. Yes, you heard me correct, the airstrip.
Surprises for the trip started from Udaipur, one of them being the chocolate room.
The show what you put on was amazing, so probably this is the start of some interest in biking, because this is a crazy what you guys do. Absolutely wonderful job. Keep it up.
I hope you guys come more often to Udaipur and we have better meetings like these.
I've been to many rooms, but never to a chocolate room.
Great time, excellent time. Thank you.
अलग अलग किस्म की डिशेज, अलग अलग किस्म की चॉकलेट और सैंडविच, एवरीथिंग वाज टू गुड। जबकि हम ये सब खा रहे थे, इनका एंजॉय कर रहे थे, वी मेट अ गाय नेम्ड ताहिर। सुबह 5, साढ़े 5 बजे हम ताहिर साहब के फार्म हाउस पे पहुँचे। थोड़ी थोड़ी नींद आंखों में, थोड़ा आलस में, और जब हमने देखा कि वहाँ क्या है, भाई साहब नींद ऐसे खुली जैसे किसी ने बिस्तर पर पानी मार के जगाया हो।
Actually, I was searching from long time for a place where you can sit, relax, you can meditate, so that you can have a lot of more creative ideas.
मैं सरप्राइज था, मैं खुश था और मैं इंटरेस्टेड था।
Ahmedabad, Ganji city. This time it surprised us by the number of motorcyclists which came to visit us at the Suzuki showroom.
We welcome the great collectors ride to Ahmedabad.
We wish them all the best for the best collection they can get for their moto.
The selection of the biker-themed cafe was really awesome. It was a place where any biker would love to hang out.
We enjoyed a lot of motorcycling over there, and I think Ahmedabad is one city which will always be there on any India road trip that I do.
Another morning G2G, but this time it was powered by women.
First of all, thank you so much for the XBHP team to ride along with us. It's a pleasure. We, the Riderly, would like to contribute one of the vintage item to the Freedom Bike.
अगले दिन हम सूरत के लिए निकले।
Mr. Busa Bhatt experienced the best time with the Busa. Guess how?
कुछ 1 घंटे के लिए मैं सूरत के ट्रैफिक में हायाबुसा चला रहा था। उस 1 घंटे में मेरी मैक्सिमम स्पीड थी 7 किलोमीटर पर आवर। 1 घंटा मैंने बूसा का मज़ा लिया और बूसा ने मेरा मज़ा लिया। तो आप समझ सकते हैं मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ। ट्रैफिक की वजह से हम काफ़ी लेट हो गए। हमारी इवनिंग G2G कुछ लेट नाइट G2G में कन्वर्ट हो गई।
The bikers in Surat, they came up with a farmhouse, one projector, sound system, 70-75 plus bikers to meet us at 9 p.m. in Surat, and we were blown away.
एडमिरेबल है पूरा एफर्ट्स। वहाँ सुपर बाइक्स थी, वहाँ बाइकर्स थे, उन्होंने इंतज़ार किया और एवरीबडी वॉज इन प्रॉपर गियर ऑन ए वीकडे।
The two things which come to my mind when you're talking about Bombay is Bollywood and jam-packed roads.
मुंबई जाके डिस्टेंस किलोमीटर्स में नहीं, ट्रैफिक में नापा जाता है, और जब आप ट्रैफिक हिट कर जाएं, आप समझ लें आप मुंबई आ चुके हैं।
मुंबई की ब्यूटी को कैप्चर करना था और ट्रैफिक से ही बचना था, और पूरी टीम सुबह सुबह सड़कों पे निकल ली।
This is a fun morning. It's for a change. It's good to be sitting in the car and directing other people.
We got some good shots near the Sea Link and the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. So all in all, it's been a nice morning, and we expect it to get better after we have had our breakfast.
The day we were about to leave for Pune, we had to meet Bombay motorcyclists at a particular point outside of Bombay. We were quite glad they came up, and there were a lot of clubs.
Hi, so as you can see, this is my club. We are the Road Stallions, and we thought we'll go inside the ride with ex-BHPs and Sandeep Gurjar's OLX Collectors ride.
All the Mumbai ex-BHPians have gathered on the Sunday morning to associate with the OLX Collectors ride of ex-BHP. What we are seeing is a massive number of bikers, almost 60 plus bikers.
It's a great initiative doing a 10,000 kilometer ride, and it motivates people like us, to get this big machine out and be on the road instead of keeping in the garage.
It's really been an honor to be with them towards their OLX Collectors ride, and I'm grateful to be a part of it.
I couldn't be a part of it fully, but the most I could do is come to Kalamboli, have a group gathering with them, see them off from Kalamboli, and I wish them a good ride.
Riding from Bombay directly to Pune, from one meet to another one. This meet in Pune was arranged by Suzuki.
I welcome all the bikers and lords as well, and I'm thankful to Suzuki to have arranged this nice meet.
The main thing about this whole thing, you find people like you, like-minded persons, who can understand your craziness, your madness about some things.
As a company, we really admire the passion in you guys for riding. We build motorcycles, and it is fantastic to see you guys ride so passionately. You take care of them. It's really good.
All in all, that day combined with Bombay and Pune, it was really awesome. A lot of motorcyclists, a lot of people we met, and Pune, never disappoints. No road trip, India road trip can be complete without visiting Lavasa in Pune, and that's what we actually did.
We are at the very beautiful township of Lavasa, about 40 odd kilometers from Pune, and we have been enjoying the curves in the ghats of this place.
As we were exiting Pune, we met up with this ex-PHPN who rode all the way from Kolhapur just to contribute to the Freedom motorcycle.
So while we were heading out, someone came down to meet us on the highway. This is Omkar with me. He especially come down from Kolhapur, and he has given us something which is very interesting. This is his contribution for the Freedom motorcycle that we are making. It's a 943, 1 rupee, and it has a George VI King Emperor on it.
सूरत में जो बूसा ने भटका हाल किया था, now it was time to reconcile.
पुणे से बेंगलुरु 2 दिन राइडर्स खेल खेलते रहे मॉनसून के साथ. कभी मॉनसून हमारे आगे, कभी हम मॉनसून के आगे, और बेंगलोर पहुंच के हम मॉनसून में पूरे भीग गए.
So Bangalore was a big surprise for me. Not only I consider Bangalore as the motorcycling capital of India, but I think the weather is also very conducive to motorcycling.
There were 2 more beautiful things waiting for us at the venue.
In the Bangalore meet, Suzuki had called on its big motorcycle customers, and when we reached over there at the venue, we saw these 2 Hayabusas. The best part was, the yellow one was modeled after the Bumblebee from Transformers, and the black one was after Megatron.
He loved them so much that he spent hours shooting them.
This is our 5th India road trip. The first one happened in 2006.
Before we leave for Chennai, it was time for another motorcycle pit stop.
It was time to ride to Chennai. कृष्णागिरी में हमें एक बहुत अच्छा सरप्राइज मिला.
I am Dr. Nandakumar. I am 76 years old. My passion is riding, and I have been riding from 1966. It's been a great time for me on my bikes, and it's been my pleasure to be a member of XBHP. At present, I own a Suzuki Bandit 1250cc and a Triumph Bonneville 865cc and a Bullet 1969 Bullet and RX 100 88 model and a Dio. My passion is riding, and I'm more into exercise, yoga and all that. I do that regularly. If you want to ride at my age, you have to keep yourself fit.
Dr. Saab redefines age, and he's a true inspiration for younger generation. Another early morning shoot in a new city, Chennai.
We are outside the Kapaleshwaran Mandir right now. We'll be heading to the beach for a shoot. It is early in the morning and we hope to catch the sunrise there.
पसीना भी आ रहा था, आंखें भी जल रही थी, पर सुबह के सिर्फ 8 बजे.
So we left for Hyderabad, accompanied by the Chennai XBHPians.
Take a nice closer look at it.
विजयवाड़ा में हमारे सारे अरेंजमेंट्स विजयवाड़ा XBHPians ने किए थे और उनके पास हमारे लिए एक सरप्राइज भी था.
It's our pleasure to be a small part of this Great India Collectors Ride. And ride along with you guys. And we are having a small souvenir gifts from our side. Keychains we have made like personal, customize them for you people. It's BHP Vijayawada.
Oh my God. From Vijayawada, we were riding with the Vijayawada XBHPians till Surapet. From Surapet, we were welcomed and then riding with till Hyderabad with the Hyderabad XBHPians. We are always happy to meet Kaleem sir. We were welcomed very warmly with open arms and with open hearts by the XBHPians as well as Kaleem sir. While our luggage was being transferred in our respective rooms, Kaleem sir had already arranged for an interactive session.
I welcome the XBHP OLX team who are here from Vijayawada and on the way to Bhubaneswar and Calcutta.
It's an honor for me to be here, sir, with you again. I think this is the 4th time I'm here on an India road trip in Hyderabad. The first time it was in 2006. A lot of people think like superbiker means like a person who owns a big bike, a superbike, a very expensive motorcycle. But then sir came along and he showed that a superbiker is actually someone who rides any two-wheeler, any motorcycle. But the way he uses the motorcycle, what matters the most. So basically, in my opinion, in my perspective, sir is a real superbiker and not someone who rides a kind of a big bike.
इंटरेक्टिव सेशन के बाद, कलीम सर से मिलने के बाद, चाय कॉफ़ी के बाद, हमारा अगला एजेंडा था शाम को हैदराबाद बाइकर्स के साथ गंडीपेट लेक जाना, वहाँ तक राइड करके जाना और सनसेट को एंजॉय करना.
Hyderabad also kick-started XBHP's 11th anniversary celebration.
Being a Sunday, we held a Bikers Beach, and as always, Colonel Kaleem was leading it, and there's quite a decent turnout here, as you can see behind me. The Hyderabad sunset has captured our hearts.
सुबह हैदराबाद में हम यहाँ 4 मीनार के नीचे, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि सुबह चाय पीऊँ कि हैदराबाद की बिरयानी खाऊँ. बहुत देर से कंफ्यूजन में, इसलिए बाइक रोक के खड़ा हुआ हूँ.
वाइजैक के रास्ते में हम राजा मंदिर भी रुके और वहाँ के मेंबर्स ने हमारे लिए केक भी अरेंज करके रखा हुआ था. केक तो यमी था ही, बट द मेन अट्रैक्शन वाज बूसा हट्स 70mm डोसा.
Happy birthday to XBHP.
Happy birthday to XBHP 11th anniversary.
Happy birthday to XBHP. Last time we have celebrated 10th anniversary in Rajahmundry and we are fortunate enough to have them again in Rajahmundry.
Visakhapatnam is a very beautiful place. And if your hotel happens to be the seashore, सोने पे सुहागा. अर्ली मॉर्निंग शूट के लिए हम लोग निकले समंदर के किनारे. बाइक्स का शूट, हमारा शूट, समंदर का शूट. लहरें थोड़ी तेज़ हुई, फिर हम नहाए, बाइक्स नहाई, मैंने सबको नहलाया, सबको गीला किया.
we met up with the Vizag group, We Superbikers.
We welcome XBHP to Vizag. I'm part of We Superbikers here.
I congratulate each and everyone in XBHP, and we are very happy to have you here for the second time in OLX Collectors Ride in Visakhapatnam.
नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वॉज भुवनेश्वर। तो पूरी ट्रिप का सबसे पहला थंडरस्टॉर्म हमें वहाँ के रास्ते में मिला।
Despite us getting late and the heavy thunderstorms, the attendance at the G2G was full.
On behalf of our XBHP brothers, we welcome the senior most members on this great ride. In a days when marriages last less than 11 years, we completed 11 years.
We hope you come down more often to Bhubaneswar.
Hope that XBHP goes ahead and does the same thing for many more years, and new talents come in. And we have been always supporting bikers, and yes, bikers for life.
मुंबई की अगर सबसे डरावनी कोई चीज़ है तो वो है ट्रैफिक। आप मुंबई का ट्रैफिक पार करते हैं और आप सोचते हैं कि भाई साहब इससे बर्बाद नहीं हो सकता। आप जाइए कोलकाता, जैसे कि गए हम, और फंसे।
पहले तो कलकत्ता का ट्रैफिक और उसके ऊपर से बारिश। जय राम जी की।
Since it was pouring, some of us decided to make the most of it. This is Vakar from Ranaghat, and he has brought us something very nice. We are collecting some sweets in Bengal. Oh, this is nice. Yes, so
This looks like gulab jamun.
Yep.
Thankfully, it didn't rain on the day we rode with the Kolkata XBHP.
हमने कलकत्ता के आउटस्कर्ट्स तक एक साथ राइड किया और वहाँ हमने एक और केक काटा।
A great pleasure for Kolkata bikers, all of us that came and was arranged. It was very awesome. We really enjoyed a lot.
I really liked it. I'm expecting for more rides.
XBHP rules.
This is a very good initiative by XBHP, the Collectors Ride, and I love being a part of it, and this is a great achievement for me.
Niladri here is very generously given us 4 of these, is right?
Yeah.
And these are basically called Ek Taras, but this has 2 strings. So it's called
Do Tara.
Do Tara. Okay. This sweet logo over here, hand painted himself, and on the back there is XBHP written. So how much time did it take for you to make this?
3 or 4 hours.
3-4 hours, all of them.
In this cavalcade, we also had our first Shell Advance contest winner.
Hi, my name is Argodeep and I am from Kolkata. Thanks, Cell Advance, for selecting me as a winner for the contest. Enjoy every ride. I will be riding with the Great India Collector Ride team from Kolkata to Burdwan.
बर्दवान का वेलकम। पहले हमारे लिए उन लोगों ने हाईवे रोका, हमारे उतरने से पहले हमारे सामान लेके अंदर चले गए, हमारे बोलने से पहले हमारे लिए कोक और पानी वहाँ था, और इन सब से हटके हमारा राज तिलक। मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मैं अपनी सल्तनत में जा रहा हूँ। और बिल्कुल बर्दवान आज मेरा घर है, मेरे दोस्तों का घर है। अमेजिंग।
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोलूँ सीरियसली, बिकॉज दिस इज़ टू मच, and too much love, too much affection, and I mean out of all places, पूरे भारत में घूम लिया हमने, 8 मेट्रो और पता नहीं कितनी बड़ी सिटीज़, लेकिन कभी ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कि यहाँ पे बर्दवान जैसी जगह पे इतना प्यार मिलेगा और इतने सारे लोग आएंगे.
In Asansol, we had Shankar, the second winner of the Shell Advance contest.
Hi, I am Shankar from Bardhaman. Thank you Shell Advance for selecting me as the winner of the contest. Enjoy every ride. I will be riding with the Great India Collector Rides team from Asansol to Varanasi.
So we have reached Lucknow, the last pit stop of the Great India Collectors Ride.
वीकडे होने के बावजूद वहाँ के एक्सपीरियंस और दूसरे ग्रुप्स ने हमारे संग राइड किया और सेलिब्रेट किया.
Enjoy the city of Nawabs and Kebabs.
The stuff we collected through OLX.in got its final shape in the form of the Freedom motorcycle. It is an art installation which signifies the freedom that motorcycles give us and the freedom that OLX gives buyers and sellers from middlemen. But the experience and warmth we received cannot be given any shape. It is a connection, it is a biking brotherhood.